This 2026 KZ Connect 271RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 31 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, oven, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, Slideout, LP detector, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, full wall slide, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 KZ Connect 271RL is 6,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.